Yes, when am I gonna stop?
What's good, angels? Welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so I decided I was gonna try to start vlogging. I have uploaded vlogs before on my channel. I hope you can hear me with the mask. Right, so I have uploaded vlogs on my channel before. However, I've never actually decided I'm gonna go ahead and do a vlog. So this is gonna be like a draft, a tester. You guys can tell me if I should continue or whatever, but yeah, I just figured it would have been fun to do. So remember to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. Yeah, right now I am on my way to go get lunch. I think I'm just gonna buy a soup in Brooklyn. I was at work. I'm at work. Yes guys, I have a 9 to 5, so that's why I don't vlog. Come make a show now. Me, I got work every day. So yeah, I'm heading into Brooklyn now. Alright guys, so I went to buy the soup, the red pea soup. People, I just water and dumpling have that now go work. So here I'm at the inside of the actual supermarket now. I'm gonna take up one of them ramen here. So that I feel like I do. And with the ramen, we're supposed to can buy like fritters. That can't hold me. That can make me survive till reach a me yard. I really don't eat big for lunch, guys. I spend a lot of money on grocery every single month and I do not believe that I need to buy grocery and then come back and spend all for money a daytime for lunch. So most of the time I cook and take lunch to work, or I just top up my stomach until I reach home, I eat when I buy mountain. Like I saw my see, God know. But yeah, I see them on the fritters. Alright guys, so they have fritters. So this is the, what I say? We can't even see. It's so weird. Hello, I jerk fritters. I can't bother turn the camera for sure now. But yes, I'm gonna have jerk fritters. I'm gonna have ramen. And that's how I'm going for lunch, people. Okay guys, so I get the ramen and my chicken. I'm on my way back now to the office. But yeah, I'm gonna try the weekly thing like I said. I'm gonna record every day and then put that out on like a Saturday and see how you guys like the weekly vlog. Yeah, bye. Alright guys, I'm gonna take out the mask so I can't hear me. I am at Augusttown. Welcome to my community, guys. This is where I grew up. I haven't been here in such a long time. Zoso on a bag of some day I know, but the people them still church I keep. Alright people. My mother know me, I come with my sister. I'm going to go braid my hair. So I remember my sister that I shouted out in the last video, Prime Styles. Yes, I'm about to go show you her now and bare things. Listen to me, people. When you come on to the next, I'll be excitement. So I'm gonna come back and reach my mother. I am at my house. I completely forgot about it. My ear look terrible because my sister got braided. But I completely forget about it. So I never get for sure how everybody excited when them see me. But see the big ear, just a ear, Prime Styles. Yes, I remember from my last video. My shout her out. Real hot good as she about for me. I look like somebody that attack her right now. I look homeless. But what she say? Alright guys. I just start eating a while ago and then I said no, this is too much off. I'm gonna tell you when last meet American porridge. I never graduated high school yet. What? That was the last time. Yeah, auntie me. Don't at Chisholm. Down at Chisholm Avenue in Kingston, where my family lives. That was the last time I had it. And what is tuna or a sardine this? Tuna? Last time I had tuna was so long ago I can't remember.
She's still a motherland.
Guys, if you know move out on the parents' house and take go back, eat food here because it's gonna put you in a mode as nostalgia. Hi guys, so this is how far we are. You finished twist up everything, Anya?
Yeah, I'm finished.
Oh gosh, Prime Stars are going with a bag of things, people. So this is where we are so far. Don't mind my face.
Yeah.
My alien. Stay bad. But yeah. No, no more Josepha? Okay, so I'm gonna explain what's happening right here. I hear about it, but I never actually take it to you. Know, explain to know what's going on. So I have natural hair, as I can see. Before I braid me hair, I lasket it because with the natural hair and my type of natural hair too, as I sweat, everything will go frazzle out. And then the braid will last me probably like a month. But when I do it like this, girl, all 2 months, 3 months. My nice same way. Me the braid I'm having one day, I never have the need to take them out. I just me take them out because I don't know, me just feel like I'm ready to take them out. Cause me feel like I don't want to do hair again. That's why. But yes, me there here, my family, I enjoy myself. Japan, you want to come on my channel because he just sit down up. Him just sit down behind me. Hello, yes. So I'm introducing to my family members. Come talk about them all the time, but you never yet see them. So this is Prime Styles. This is my sister. She's the belly wash. That's what them call it?
Wash belly.
She's the
wash belly.
She is the wash belly and the belly wash in a one. And she a big hairdresser.
I'll put my egg.
And she a soldier too, so no don't ramp with me. Don't play. Alright, where next one there? Alright, this is not the next one. This is my father. This is not my little sister as well. But this is my daddy.
Hi.
I'm bad. I'm bad.
When am I gonna stop? Man disappear. When am I gonna stop? Michael, can I get a pic?
No.
What different is the name the people like gonna pick? Look on Michael.
Him still eat pepper and mango, people.
What's him calling for?
No, guys, wanna please.
Michael Jackson. Get a Michael Jackson.
When if you gonna check out Ghetto Michael Jackson, can I get a pic? Come never know see the thing serious. Alright guys, so I think this is where I'm gonna close off this vlog. This was my first, like, this is not even full day. It's raining outside, by the way. It's a rain. But yeah, I think this is where I'm gonna close it off. I'm gonna have some dinner now, and then I'm gonna head home, even though I'm not really sure. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember to click the subscribe button if it's the first time you are seeing me and you like this type of content. Subscribe so that you can never miss another video. If you're a fan of dancehall, subscribe as well, because we have an awesome show on here called This Session, where we like just be excitement. Subscribe and like the video. Give my like button some love. Show my like button some love, and also to share the video with your friends. Share the video if you care. WhatsApp it, Instagram it, Facebook it. Share it like food. You hear me? So that's why I'm gonna share the food right now. Share the video, and until next time, angels.
Instagram, guys.
Follow my cousin Emily on Instagram. Until next time, angels. Walk good. All the beautiful people out there in the world. Bye, angels.